Hi, good morning. My name is Shweta. So, first question is introduce yourself and briefly talk about any relevant experience. Okay, so I've been working as a software test engineer since 2006. My first job was in India, and post that, I came in Belgium in 2010. So, I'm also working in Belgium for about more than a decade in different projects in waterfall and agile models and in different team sizes, making it from one man team to sometimes 5 to sometimes 10 or 15. So yeah, my experience has always dealt with analyzing the product, then checking the bugs inside it, finding the defects, and after that, giving them to the developer, raising those bugs, then retesting them when it comes back fixed, and then checking all your system if there is no regression happened after that bug has been fixed. Also, before the releases, I check if everything is under control and if that product can be released at a given amount of time. So this also involves a lot of planning and prioritizing what you need to do in that release. So yeah, my experience has been like this throughout. I've moved to London 3 months back, and I'm trying to find a job here. So the next question was share in detail if you have any experience in strength training and yoga. So yes, I love strength training and yoga both. I go to the gym at least like 3 to 4 times a week, and if time permits, I go more. So I am a big fitness enthusiast myself. So when I read this profile, I was extremely excited to check the details and reach out to you. And I also am a certified yoga kids trained instructor. So I have not taken official classes, but yes, I'm a trained instructor for yoga. And I actually found this app extremely interesting, and I thought that this is something I would love to work upon. Explain what you believe to be important when conducting QA for our form tracking. Okay, so in terms of form tracking, I checked the video which you had sent me, and like first of all, I think that the user size is very important, like the different body types, and what amount of like testing is to be done with different people of different heights and stuff like that. Then the second is the user position, obviously where is he standing, how close or far is he from the camera. Then I obviously, like you had mentioned in the video itself, the lighting conditions, if it's like naturally if the room is lit, or if artificially if there is a light in that room, and different types of lights in basically in from dim to like going towards the brighter side. Then of course you have the camera angle, because sometimes exercises need to be shown from different angles. It's not just your hands and legs, but also like how you move. So the side view also takes a little bit of importance. So I think, yeah, these are the primary factors I would consider while checking the form tracking sorry form tracking app. So yeah, what was the next question? Let me check. Share in detail if you have any interest or experience in conducting QA for hardware devices such as a mirror. So, indeed, yes, I have a lot of experience in working on hardware as well. Not on the mirror exactly, but I was working into projects for one was the fuel pos. So we had different physical machines, what you see on the petrol stations, and then we had to check the pump integrations and the devices, the hardware components, the numbers how they rotate, or the payment system how it happens, so stuff like that. And very early in my career, I had worked on a project which was on PCBs, like you have those PCBs, so we had to check all those small hardware things, the resistance and those kind of things. So I've not worked in completely mirror kind of thing, but yes, I have definitely worked on hardware, and I understand the the thing which goes around working on a hardware. I understand the environment, if that's what you wanted to ask. If no feature changes are made to subsequent batch of mirrors we order, should we still request a sample to QA? Why? So yeah, it's a very important thing. I think you should definitely the answer is yes over here, because we need to check the regression each time something is changed in the system and the system goes out, and we need to check if the bugs which are rectified have caused any regression in the existing technology as well. So I think for that reason, definitely we need to still check. And even if no feature changes are made, even then we should request a sample to QA, because you may never know, because the system as a whole has to work properly. It's not just the unit which has to be worked properly. Last is, please detail approaches we should consider to reduce the number of bugs that appear post implementation for content, hardware, the app, and the form tracking. Okay, so for that, I think we need to check the different different devices, like the phones, or webcams or professional cameras, and I think we need to check the app with different versions of the app. And also we should check it on different, like, users, like some users are less speed, more speed, and all of that. And definitely we should check upon what else can we check. Yeah, of course, on the background noises that we have and all of that kind of stuff. We can talk in detail once we meet, and I'm definitely looking forward for the interview. Thank you so much. Bye bye.